Okay, wanted to take a video of this to show you guys this. This is actually pretty amazing. This is an avalanche area. We're actually on Highway 93. We're heading out of Jasper. We were down at the Columbia Icefield. And as you can see, it crossed over the road, took out a bunch of these posts off this guardrail. The damage is pretty significant, actually. I'm going to walk down the road here a little bit and show you. As you can see, like, the trees are all knocked down. I'll show you where it came from. That's the path it took. I don't know if you can see that. The snow's pretty high. And then I'll come back over here. This packed snow is still pretty high. It's pretty solid. Look at these posts. Pulled out of the ground, just destroyed. This whole guardrail just destroyed. Like, look how tall that is. Look at the trees. Leaned over, bent. Look at this post. It's insane. It's just torn right out of the ground. See? Pulled right out of the ground. The amount of force to do that is incredible. There's where it came down. I don't know if you can see that. There's the trees. You see the car just drove by there. That'll give you a little bit of perspective of how huge this actually is. The guardrail's completely enveloped here. Don't even see it. Here's a post. Lucky to find that. But what's on the other side of this actually is pretty interesting too, because the trees are all knocked down. Like, look at this guardrail here. How incredible is this? Think about the amount of force that the snow had. I can't believe it. There's another one. It's destroyed. Destroyed. And the guardrail for quite a ways down is damaged just from this. But what I wanted to show you also is that. Look at the trees taken out. And then it went all the way down. I don't know if you can kind of hear the water. That's a lot of snow. Look at that. Uprooted trees and everything just thrown over the side. And it was actually quite wide. As you can see, some snow here still from it. You hear some cars actually driving through it now. So it'll give you an idea of how big it was. Anyway, we thought it was kind of cool, and we thought we'd take a video and let you guys see it too. Because I've never seen anything like this. You hear about it all the time, but I've never seen it.